Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the third lesson in Sanskrit. Okay, listen here. Lesson 3. First, I will read the sentences, then I will explain you the meaning. Listen here, children. The first one, Aja Chalati. Aja Chalati. What is meant by Aja Chalati? Aja means goat. Okay. Chalati means walks. Aja Chalati means goat walks. Okay. Then the second one, Rikshaha Pibati. What is meant by Rikshaha? Rikshaha means beer. Okay. Pibati means drinks. Rikshaha Pibati. Beer drinks. Okay. Then the third one, Akuhu Dhavati. What's meant by Akuhu? Akuhu means rat. Dhavati means runs. Akuhu Dhavati. Rat runs. Okay then the next one, Yenaha Chalati. What is meant by Yenaha? Yenaha means deer. Chalati means moves. Yenaha Chalati. Deer moves. Okay then the next one, Ibhaha Gachati. What is by Ibhaha? Ibhaha means elephant. We have another name for elephant, that is Gajaha. You know pretty well, right? Here they have given Ibhaha. Ibhaha means also elephant. Ibhaha Gachati means elephant goes. Okay then the next one, Kapihi Khadati. What is by Kapihi? Sorry, what is by Kapihi? Kapihi means monkey. You know the another name, right? Vanaraha. Good. Kapihi Khadati. Khadati means eats. Kapihi Khadati means monkey eats. Okay then the next one, Ishaha Rakshati. Who is called as Ishaha? Yes, you are right. Ishaha means God. Okay. Ishaha Rakshati means God protects. Okay then the next one, Karaha Rebhate. What is called as Karaha? Karaha means donkey. Okay. Donkey brays. Okay. Karaha Rebhate. Donkey brays. Okay then the next one, Ushtraha Tishtati. Ushtraha Tishtati. Ushtraha means camel. Tishtati means stands. Okay. Camel stands. Okay. Then the last one, Guruhu Upadishati. Who is called as Guruhu? Guruhu means teacher. Okay then. Guruhu Upadishati. Teacher advises. Okay then. Guruhu Upadishati. Teacher advises. Then here they have given three words. Kaha means who. Ka means who. Then the last one, Kim means what. Okay then. Kaha. This word kaha belongs to masculine gender pumlingaha. Okay then this word ka belongs to strilingaha, feminine gender. Then this word kim belongs to napumsakalingaha, neuter gender. Okay then. Why they have given this? Because these three are called as question tags. Okay. If you want to frame a question, you have to use this. Okay. These three words. Okay. Shall we do? Listen here. Kaha. I want to say here Aja Chalati. You have three options. Kaha, Ka and Kim. Which one you select, children? By seeing this line, Aja Chalati, you say, yes, you are right. Aja belongs to Strilingaha, feminine gender. So you have to select this. Okay. So here you have to write Ka Chalati. Ka Chalati means who is moving. You can say Aja Chalati. Goat is moving. Goat is walking. Okay then. Then the next one, Rikshaha pibati. You want to make a question for this sentence. In these three options, which one you can choose? Yes, you are right. Kaha. Okay, then. So, kaha pibati. Who is drinking? You can say the answer. Rikshaha pibati. Beer is drinking. Okay, children. Like this, you have to frame questions for these sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay then. For these 8 sentences, you have to select a question tag from these 3. Will you do, children? Good. Thank you so much, children.